All right, I've got a banger for you today. A member of mine sent me this course. Look, I wouldn't call it a course, but they call it a course. And I took a look, and it was by these guys, the Lost Boys Academy. And I started having a read, and I'm going to show you in a sec just a small snippet of it. But as I was reading, the first thing that came to my head was this is all bullshit, but I see that with a lot of courses. But then something really interesting happened. So I want to show you. Obviously, I can't show you the whole thing. And I'm assuming by this little watermark here, my member acquired this through other means. We'll just put it that way. So I'm not going to show the whole thing on here, but I'll just show you a little snippet. Hey, we'll just have a little read. And I want to mention something that I think I've noticed. All right. So this is the Lost Boys. It is the secrets or whatever. What is it? The how to make life-changing money with OnlyFans. Lost Boys. All right. So let's just have a little bit of a read on Reddit, and then I'll go over my thoughts on it. So this is the whole section, by the way. So normally you get a course, and there'll be like different modules. Each module might have a couple of PDFs and some videos. By the way, I'm going to be dropping a course soon. I want to avoid doing this. I'd rather a forum. I'm going to be dropping a course soon because I notice people keep ripping me off and trying to resell my shit. Some person, some mole, some brokey joined my Discord, scraped everything and is trying to resell it as a course. So I thought, you know what? If you want a fucking course, I'll make a course. Turns out I'm really good at technical writing, so this is going to be insane. But anyway, so a course would normally have, a series of different folders. Each folder will have like Reddit, TikTok, Instagram, if it's a, decent course. And then inside, it might have a couple of PDFs, some videos. Mine's going to have like templates. Anyway, that's a whole other story. But this is the whole course. This PDF is the whole course. So for the Reddit section, there is no folder, there's no module. I'm going to have a read of the Reddit section, which is literally just a section in the PDF. But let's have a read. So, how do you market yourself on Reddit? How do you promote yourself in a way that is going to get people to come back to your own events, but is not going to cause you... By the way, at the end, I'll let you know my theory on what I think has happened here. So, in a way that's going to get you to get people to come back to your own events, but is not going to cause you a whole bunch of problems. And I've used it on other websites, and I'll be using it for my OnlyFans and modeling my new one that I just started. So what you do is you go to reddit.com. You can go to reddit.com, or you can just search and Google for the type of you're looking for a niche subreddit. This is like 600 euros. Anyway, a niche subreddit. A subreddit is like a subpage of Reddit that is dedicated to a specific type of content. So for instance, a page I'm on right now is German Shepherds. If you have a lot of German Shepherds, wait, where are we? That's the German Shepherd dog subreddit. And all they do here is post pictures of German Shepherds. I'm going like red because I can feel myself just laugh. Anyway, and this, if you were someone who is posting German Shepherds, if you have a lot of German Shepherd photos for some reason, then you could come here and you could post those. And people are going to love those. You can see he's got 91.2k members and 83 of them are online right now. So whenever you come here, you can just like, oh, that's so cute. I love German Shepherds. You're going to like it. And if you want to see more of those German Shepherds, you might click on the person's username. It pops up their profile and you can view their profile. You can click into it. If you click their name, it takes you into the actual profile where it's got some information about you. Remember, this is OnlyFans course. Oh, fuck, man. Oh, shit, I'm trying to keep it together for YouTube video. All right, so I'll scroll up. I'm just zooming in, so, I can't get sued for, like, showing a course. Anyway, I won't read the whole thing, but I'll let you know what I think what's up soon. Normally it has an about, like, a little bit about you. And sometimes you can post the link in there. That's where I usually post my link, is in the about section of the German Shepherd subreddit. What the To do that, you have to go into the top, drop it down, go to your profile. It should be in your user settings. Look, if I go back into the German Shepherds page and scroll down, German Shepherds, what you do is you type blah, blah, blah. Oh, there we go. There's OnlyFans. Oh, shit. Hang on. Wait, where are we? Do not spam your OnlyFans linking this content. Don't mention it. What you have to do before going over here. Anyway, so you get the point. So that is the whole Reddit section. It's that part we just read before, this page here, and that. So it's not a folder with module. It's not a module. It doesn't have PDFs and videos and tools. That is the section, all right? Now, I'm going to exit this, and then I'll let you know what I'm pretty sure has happened here, all right? Okay, so this was the course I just read through, How to Make Life-Changing Money with OnlyFans. Do you know what I think happened? I think they have literally recorded their voice, so they've just literally held a microphone up to their voice, whether it's a phone or whatever, just talked absolute rubbish and got some software to translate it to text. I'm pretty sure that's what has happened. That's why some of the words were mismatched. That's why there was some random words that weren't meant to be in there, like, you know, when I was talking about events, like some of your own events. That's why some words that are meant to be one word was broken into two words, like when it said sub and then Reddit with a capital. I'm pretty sure whoever Momo made this has just literally got a microphone, recorded them talking absolute rubbish, got some software to translate it to text, whipped it up, and they're trying to sell it for $350. So anyway, so this video is just telling you to, don't, because, wow, that's got to be one of the worst ones I've seen. So I thought I'd just do a little check on who's the Lost Boys Academy. So went to their Insta. Okay, cool, they're posting stuff. Yeah, awesome, right on. And then they got this Gumroad thing where they're selling the course. By the way, this is what we read. This is the course that had the German Shepherd subreddit events in it. Wow, all right. And then this is their Lost Boys Agency website. So you know what I did here? I was scrolling down and I did a little trick here. I right-clicked on a couple of images, went search image with Google. Guess what? I found Chris also posted a testimonial on some vegan website thing. And look, Chris was stoked. Where is he? Chris, aka Jonas Brunschweiler. Look, he absolutely loved this product. So anyway, so he's also called Chris and he's a software engineer in the Lost Boys team. So anyway, I'll wrap it up there. Surely it just speaks for itself. I literally just showed you and we just had a fit together. So anyway, I'll wrap it up there. Just a heads up, stay the fuck away from whatever shit these guys are selling because my God, look, if you're going to sell a dud course, at least just put a bit of effort into it. At least just fix up some spelling mistakes before you go selling it for $350, please. Like that's all, you know, that's all you can ask. Anyway, that's it. So as usual, if you like the videos, if you got anyone else you want me to do a Mythbusters video on, let me know, comment below, and I'll see you on the next video.